mushroom pie, absolute comfort food with a little bit of spring onion and mustard, delicious. Get yourself a little knife. So these chicken breasts here, I'm going to slice these into centimetre slices. I've got a little enamel metal tin, whack it on to a high heat, a couple of lugs of olive oil in there. Get your chicken, put it into your olive oil. Of course we want to hit that with some sea salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper, knob of butter in the chicken. I've got some spring onions here. Slice up the spring onions as best as you can. I'm not bothered. You know, the great thing about these 30-minute meals recipes, if you're rubbish with a knife, it's all right. If you're brilliant, it's all right. Don't matter. Get yourself a little box grater, the fine attachment, or one of these little graters, and you just want, you know, quarter of a nutmeg, 1 or 2 bay leaves. I'm just going to tear the stalk off of these bay leaves, and a little bit of thyme. And then we want mushrooms. I've got about 150 grams, or a kind of big handful of button mushrooms. You know, pick these bad boys up, get a slicer attachment on your processor, and put them in. You know what I mean? So, mushrooms go in. I'm going to now turn this into like a pie filling. 1 heaped tablespoon of creme fraiche. In at this point is a heaped teaspoon of flour, and then attitude, a heaped teaspoon of mustard. And then one of these little tubs of pre-done chicken stock, if you haven't got any of your own, of course, or a stock cube and a bit of water. This is about 300 mils of stock, and we just mix it up. And you've already got a beautiful, creamy sauce. So I'm going to turn it down to low, because I've got no rush now. I'm happy. Some puff pastry. Buy it, pre-done, and then you just put that pastry on here and tuck it into bed and fold the pastry sort of back in on itself. I want it to glaze and look beautiful. So you can use milk or 1 egg. Just lightly brush this pastry on top. Oh, looks very nice. Let's get a bit of rosemary, stick it right in there. Right, in the oven. That is cooked when it looks cooked. The pie, I can see, is done. Let's just move that over. Look at that. Beautiful. I want that for dinner.